Hello everyone. Recently I went to IITF in Pragati Maidan where I saw this Indian Railways pavilion and I was highly delighted by the way they presented using various models. The first one I saw is about Bina solar power plant located in Madhya Pradesh. This is the first in India where the whole electricity is completely produced by solar panels and it is enough to run all the rails in the tracks using it. They depicted the Bina solar plant very realistically using those models. There are various models throughout the pavilion and we'll be seeing one by one in this video. Upcoming are the various models of active and former Indian Railway trains and coaches. The first one is a steam locomotive known as WP. This is an open wagon where goods such as coals and rocks can be used to transport. It has a maximum load capacity of 70 plus tons. This is also a steam locomotive which is work using oil and it is known as X class. This is India's first frameless liquid carrying wagon. These are India's two special coaches in active service. The first one is a double-decker coach and second one is a direct coach. This is an AC Tier 2 coach. Here are the special models of two locomotives made using wood. This is the model of a freight locomotive named WAG 9. Various beautiful locomotives are around this thing. This one is a passenger locomotive called WAB 7. All these models are completely scalable and all their details in are perfectly matched with the real life locomotive, including their tires, their pantographs, and all those things. This is Vande Bharat, the latest train in Indian Railways. This is a semi high speed train. Its detailed model is also presented in the center of the pavilion and it is one of the primary attractions. It also has an view to see inside of the train. Upcoming are the various models of under construction and constructed projects. This one is the Chenab Bridge, constructed over the river Chenab in Jammu Kashmir. This project is under construction, but after construction, this project will look like this. The details of the scenery and the bridges are very realistic and accurate. The real view of this scenery cannot be seen even after completion, but this model gives you the glimpse of the same. This is very beautiful to watch and it is near the entry point of the pavilion. The lighting here also clearly depicts the river Chenab beautifully. Next, we are going to watch about something which is very opposite to Chenab River Bridge because it is situated deep below water whereas Chenab Bridge is high above water. Yes, this is an under river metro tunnel constructed by Kolkata Rail Corporation. This thing is self-explanatory about the construction of the tunnel, which is below the Hooghly River, and it is near the Howrah railway station. Now, please take a look on how realistic and beautiful the model is. The next model we are going to watch is about a special terminal being built at Sabarmati. This is very special because it is the first place in India where three types of railways are connected together in a single building. The terminal also features various amenities, like there's an outside integrated bus terminal inside the building itself, and the staff very well explains about the building and the statues. The next model is about a pre-casting yard of bullet train bridges. Take a look about of the fully working model. The last model is about New India New India railway station being constructed at Ayodhya. This model is very special because it has a crown of Lord Ram in the central gate of the railway station. If you really want to know more about each of these models, I'll make a separate video. For that, drop a yes in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. You will definitely enjoy when you visit this pavilion.